أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to www.islamicclasses.com, and my name is Hafiz Bilal, and this is our second tutorial where we are going to learn the articulation points of the Arabic letters. And today I will teach you Makhraj number 1 and how many letters we pronounce from the Makhraj number 1. So now I am just going to show you next image. Here you can see the first is written here, the throat. In the last tutorial we read the 5 major areas, and if you remember, so that 5 major areas are those areas where we find, or you can say where we pronounce the different articulation points of Arabic letters. So keep in mind there are 17 makharij, okay, I mean 17 articulation points in that 5 major areas. So this throat is one of them. That's why I opened this first and just want to show you how many articulation points in this major area. This is the second major area here. So we read now, there is in the throat 3 articulation points for 6 letters. Alright, so basically total articulation points are 17, okay, and in the throat, in this major area, which is the throat, in this major area of throat there are 3 articulation points of 6 letters. You can see the 6 letters are here, and let me tell you. Okay, the first here is these are the 2 here, 2 letters, and 2 here and 2 here. These 6 letters we pronounce from these 3 articulation points of throat, because the first 2 letters we pronounce from the bottom of the throat, second 2 letters we pronounce from the middle of the throat, third 2 letters we pronounced from the top of the throat. Okay, so these are the areas from where these 6 letters we pronounce easily. Okay, and now I just want to show you the Makhraj number 1. Okay, here is Makhraj number 1. The Makhraj number 1 is Aqsal Halaq. Aqsal Halaq, bottom of the throat. The definition is here, pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. These 2 letters will be pronounced from the bottom of the throat, which you are looking here. Let me show you. The first one is Hamza and the second is Ha. Hamza, Ha. And one thing more, keep in mind, when I will try to say these letters, you also try to pronounce after me, just for practice. Okay, I hope you will learn something and you will understand that how we can pronounce the correct sound of each letter. Okay, and one more thing, that if you want to know any letter articulation point, how you can know that? Okay, so you have to write down that letter, which letters sound you want to know, or which letters articulation point you want to know. Just make sure to put this jazm sign or sukoon sign on that letter, and connect this letter with any letter by putting fatha, kasra, dhamma. Fatha, kasra, dhamma means zabar, zir, pesh, so I just put it here fatha, which is the zabar also. So once I will connect this Hamza, which has, because I want to know Hamza articulation point, so the process of that to know any letter articulation point, so you just need to put jazm sign on that letter and connect that letter with any letter by putting fatha, kasra, dhamma on that one. So you can see the examples here. Okay, so I will read, you read after me. I hope you will understand. So first I want to show you Hamza sound, which is coming from the bottom of the throat, and how is that sound is coming out. You can see I spell it, you also spell with me. Hamza, Hamza, Fatha, A. Hamza, Hamza, Kasra, I. Hamza, Hamza, Dhamma, U. And then without spelling we say A, I, U. Okay, we are making jerk sound. You are thinking why we are making jerk sound, because there is a one rule that if you find a jazm or sukun sign on Hamza, you will make jerk sound there. That's why you can see the Hamza has a jazm sign on each example. That's why I am making this jerking sound there. Okay, I repeat it again. Hamza, Hamza, Fatha, A. Hamza, Hamza, Kasra, I. Hamza, Hamza, Dhamma, U. A, I, U. Okay, this was example of Hamza. And now the other one, which is Ha letter, and this letter also we pronounce from the bottom of the throat. And now we just going to practice of this Ha letter, similarly as we read about Hamza. Hamza, Ha, Fatha, Ah. Look, the Ha sound is coming out from the bottom of the throat when I say Ha, Ha, Ha. Alright, you listen from the near the chest. Ha. Alright, similarly I say Hamza, Ha, Fatha, Ah. Hamza, Ha, Kasra, I. Hamza, Ha, Dhamma, U. And then without spell we say Ah, I, U. Okay, we say again Ah. Look and feel the Ha sound will come in the end. Ah, I, U. And that sound is coming from the bottom of the throat. If you are reading correct sound and you are feeling that the sound is coming from the bottom of the throat, that's mean you are reading good sound of these letters. So this was our first Makhraj number. Inshallah, in the next tutorial we will read this Makhraj number 2. What is the Makhraj number 2 and how many letters come out from Makhraj number 2. Inshallah, see you in the next class. And just watch this video tutorial, and if you like this tutorial you can share this with your friends, your relatives, or if you have any kind of question you can comment on this video. We will try to reply of your comment. And have a nice day. Thank you. And also we have here our online courses list. Let me clear this. Okay, yeah, online courses list here. We also providing these courses here, and our contact information is here. Our website is www.islamiclasses.com. Our email ID is, and our telephone number is also here, and you can Skype us as well. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.